Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the iMac, safety first. Once done, lay it face down on a soft towel to protect the screen. This gives access to the stand screws. You'll remove any rubber grommets or covers at the hinge, then use the correct Torx drivers, Torx 6 or 8 depending on model, to break free the fasteners. Take your time. Alternating loosening prevents stress on the chassis. Keep screws organized in a labeled tray, so reassembly is straightforward. With the visible fasteners loosened, continue by backing screws out evenly. Loosen in a cross pattern so the pressure releases uniformly. You must support the stand with one hand or have a partner hold it. Sudden drops can damage the screen or internal components. Use a suction cup at the back to steady the display while you separate hinge halves and inspect for any hidden clips or routed cables. If a cable is present, gently unclip it rather than pulling. The goal is separation without strain. Once the hinge is free, slide the stand straight away from the iMac. Don't twist or lever. You're looking for smooth mating surfaces and any debris or corrosion that might have caused resistance. Reinstall fresh rubber grommets if needed and test the screen's tilt and stability before final reassembly. If the stand won't budge, try a few drops of penetrating oil where metal meets metal and tap gently with a soft mallet. Never force prying that could crack the chassis. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most stubborn binds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.